Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.5.1 using Cydia without a computer. This is 100% untethered, guys, and is currently working flawlessly. It is working on all versions of iOS and all iOS devices, so check this out, guys. Here it is, the fully functional Cydia iOS 14.5.1 jailbreak. As you can see, it's got every single feature you want, and like I said, it is working flawlessly. I've got plenty of tweaks and plenty of free paid apps using this Cydia jailbreak for iOS 14.5.1. Guys, it is honestly amazing, and it literally takes like 2 minutes to install. Like, it's crazy how easy it is to install. Anybody can do it, and it is working on all devices as well. I've tried it on the 12, 11, like pretty much every single iOS device, and it is working on later versions and earlier versions. So if you're on 14.6 or you're on 14.4, it is working on those versions as well, so you don't need to worry about that. So as you guys can see, this does have all the features you want in Cydia. It's honestly flawless, guys. It's fully loaded, fully functional. Every feature is on point, and I have not really found any errors or any glitches in it at all. So yeah, guys, this is the real deal if you're looking for a iOS 14.5.1 jailbreak. Okay, guys, so that's enough talking. Let's get into it, guys. Let me show you guys how you can get this on your device right now as well. So follow along with me, okay? The first thing I just want to do is open up Safari, okay? And make sure you do this on Safari. It only works on Safari, and go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia. Now, guys, please make sure your volume is up and you're paying attention to every individual step I mentioned, okay, from here on out. Okay, so get that website typed in. Okay, there's the website. Okay, now go ahead and click the go button. Okay, now basically what we're doing here is we're downloading the Cydia installer profile. Okay, so once you get that downloaded, once you get that website typed in, just click the allow button, click close. Okay, now we're gonna go to our settings, and we're just gonna complete the installation of that profile. So profile, download, install, get in your passcode quick, and next, install. Okay, so I basically just updated my Cydia installer profile. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the rest of the installation steps, so follow along with me, okay? So basically I'm just going to open this back up, and so right now it is in shell mode. Now, to get it out of shell mode, you simply have to just get to the installation wizard. Now, to get to the installation wizard, because right now none of these features are actually working, you have to complete the installation, and I'll walk you guys through the steps, okay? So just click on any of the features here. So click on this one. And see, as you can see, it says start installation. So you want to click on that start installation button. Once you click on that start installation button, it's going to take you to the installation wizard. Once you're at the installation wizard, it's going to instruct you to install 2 apps and complete their exact instructions, and that will transfer the files for the iOS 14.5.1 Cydia jailbreak to your device. Now, guys, it's very important to be very patient with this step and follow each individual app's instructions. Now, I strongly recommend installing all of the apps on the installation wizard and doing their exact instructions. Within 30 minutes of completing the installation steps properly, this will reload back to the original app I showed you with all the features working, and your iOS 14.5.1 device will be fully jailbroken. Okay, so guys, anyways, like I said, I recommend simply installing all of the apps on the installation wizard and just completing their exact instructions. That way you won't have to go back and worry or anything like that. So guys, just get it done right the first time, and the installation will go flawlessly, okay? Guys, so that is how to jailbreak iOS 14.5.1 with Cydia. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.